Using the right Klüber lubricant in a steel plant offers many advantages, including higher productivity, reduced downtime, cost and energy savings. The outcome for you is a reduced total cost of ownership. Klüberplex HB 98601 is an innovative, high-temperature roller bearing grease that minimizes friction, leading to smoother operation and less wear. The results are not only increased productivity and fewer unexpected breakdowns. The lubricant also helps in reducing maintenance requirements, leading to cost savings and extended equipment lifespan. By reducing friction, our specialty lubricant lowers energy consumption, optimizing energy efficiency and reducing operational costs. Additionally, it contributes to a decrease in CO2 emissions. Overall, choosing the right lubricant enhances your steel plant performance. Are you interested? Get in touch with your contact at Klüber and schedule a consultation.